Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to uninstall Brave browser from a Windows computer. If you no longer need Brave browser or want to remove it from your computer, you can uninstall it easily through Windows settings. So let's get started. First, click the Start button on your Windows computer. Now, open Settings. When the Windows Settings window opens, click on Apps from the left side. Next, click on Installed Apps. Here you will see a list of all the applications installed on your computer. To find Brave browser quickly, click the search box at the top. Now, type Brave. Windows will now display the Brave browser application in the search results. Next, click the three-dot menu next to Brave browser. From the available options, select Uninstall. Windows will now ask you to confirm the uninstallation process. Click Uninstall again to continue. The Brave browser uninstaller may now open. From here, you can follow the on-screen instructions to remove Brave browser from your computer. If you want to completely remove the browser, review the available options carefully before continuing. When you are ready, select the Uninstall option. Windows will now begin the uninstallation process. After the process is completed, Brave browser will be removed from your computer. And that's how you can uninstall Brave browser on Windows. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful browser tutorials.